Hello, I'm Betiana from Ambience Tiles, and we're here at the home show. This is our stand. I'm sitting next to one of our best sellers, Victorian tiles, suitable for walls only mainly, and it comes in different colors. You can see some other of a standard 600 by 600 tiles. Also, I would like to tell you about a giveaway for $1,000 worth of tiles that you can come in into a stand, check out our ranges, fill out your entry form and drop it in the entry form to be in to win. Ambience Tiling as a tiling installation company and also a supply of tiles. We sell an extensive range of materials, and we're here to see you. We offer free design services, consultations with myself, and we would love to see you here. Come and say hi and come to the home show this weekend. Thank you.